AMBOSS. You might think of this as a Qbank, but it's more like your wingman for your anatomy lab tomorrow, or your rotation, or impressing your crush, or not, or can I give that to a pregnant patient, look her upper? A new rotation, who dis, demystifier. That's better. It's that cool attending who makes every night float
Code blue, room 305.
a little less scary. Hey, put your brain at ease. You'll know what you've done, what you've yet to do, and what you should do for your latest admit. You know, it's way more than just a Qbank.
It's a language barrier breaker and a FaceTime with patient increaser. Think of it as your dependable personal guide who will find any drug, condition, guideline, or calculator you want, so that whatever's waiting for you on the other side, you'll be ready. AMBOSS, way more than just a Qbank.